What's up, my planning boos? Planning boo printing back with another video. So today we are going to be in my home planner for the week of the 13th through the 19th. This is last week, how last week turned out, and some way somehow ended up losing the footage, don't know how, but I did want to show y'all that this was how my supposed to be playing with me turned out. And I just used the Capital Chic Designs weekly sticker kit. Not this one, that's the wrong one. I used this one. So just use these stickers. So in order to somewhat redeem myself, I'm going to use this weekly sticker kit, and I may have a little help from the Year to Shine sticker book. Haven't decided yet, but I do have it on standby. So just gonna pull the pages out, and let's see. Now I'm doing my best not to do stuff like save stickers for certain times of the year, like this one. When I originally got the book, I said, oh, I'm gonna save that for Valentine's Day, but I got a lot of stickers to get through, so might as well go on and get started. So for me, the easiest place is always to start with the day covers. So if I can find my tweezers, we can get started. So I guess I could talk to y'all a little bit while I'm doing this, right? So what did I do today? I've been feeling a little down in the dumps, except for when I'm planning, of course. But once planning is over, I've been feeling down in the dumps. So today I did some retail therapy. Yes, I know, shouldn't have done it, but I did it anyway. I felt pretty good, because I got me some new stuff, and who doesn't like new stuff? Now, should I do that all the time? Nope. Really shouldn't, but it'll get better one of these days soon. One of these days soon. So Tuesday and Monday. Okay, so that's that. And since this is a smaller sticker book, I decided not to use the wax paper, because I don't have that many pages to flip through. So I'm just going to take all of these to-do stickers and put them on each day. Because there's always something to do while you're at home, right? It's something to do. I know, that's why I don't understand people saying, I have nothing to do. Yes, you do. I'm sure there's plenty of stuff that need to be done around that house. At least that's how my granny used to tell me. I ain't got nothing to do. It ain't nothing else to do. I cleaned up. No, you didn't. You didn't wipe down them baseboards. You didn't clean off that ceiling fan. You could have started a load of clothes. You know, always something to do. Oh boy. So where did I go? What did I go by? I went to Target because I was running out of my favorite soap, which is the Dr. Bronner's peppermint soap. I'm telling you, if you never use that soap, clean off everything that's not like God. You'll be feeling so terrible about yourself after the first time you do it, because your whole body just feels minty fresh whenever you finish using it. So went to Target, got that because now people done got it all out the Walmarts. Whole Foods want to charge you one of your checks and a half to get a bottle, and I just ain't got time. So I went to Target. I mean, Target's still high, but it ain't high as Whole Foods and the vitamin shop. Okay, so got that together. Let's see. So I really like this sticker, so I gave myself a long weekend off, Friday, Saturday, Sunday this week. So I definitely want to do self-care on that day. And isn't this girl cute? She on the phone doing her little nails and stuff. So definitely want to use that one. And that's okay. I know it's Saturday, even though it's covering up the Y. Not that too jacked up about it. What are these washi strips? Okay. So I think next I'm gonna use this long strip. And let me tell y'all, these stickers are sticky. Like real sticky. So you need to be sure where you're gonna lay it down before you pick it back up. Well, before you press it down, because I don't know what kind of adhesive that they using on this, but very sticky. And leave me a comment below. Do y'all know what planner these stickers are sized for? Because I read the back and I can't figure it out. I'm just curious. I just wants to know. Is it for a Recollections planner? Is it for an Erin Condren? But let me know if y'all know what planner this is sized for. Okay, just trying to pick this up. And I cut it wrong. Oh well. So what I do want to do, I want to go to the lake one day. I don't know what day, but I do know I want to go. I want to go. So let's see. We do have some checklists here. I think I'm going to use a couple of these smaller checklists. I think these will be cute. So I'm just going to take one of these and I'm just going to put it here. Okay. So we can go here. This one can go here. Oh my goodness, y'all, I feel like I'm so boring when I talk during a Playing With Me. If it's not a voiceover, because I don't be knowing what I want to talk about. I mean, unless something major happen, like something tee me off, or something really don't interest me, I don't really have nothing to talk about. Now, unless you're talking about some of the TV shows that I like I be watching The Chi, and I just cannot believe, how these episodes is going. But especially I like watching Greenleaf. Greenleaf, that is my show because I'm a church kid. So with me being a church kid, I like shows like that. I really, really do. Let's see, this is cute because I plan on planning most of the day on Sunday. So I believe I will put this sticker here. Yeah. Sorry. Gotta check this. Ooh, sorry. Didn't mean to bump the camera like that. Stabilize, honey. Ooh. Okay. Hold on. Is that right? No. Yes. No. No. Okay. There we go. Sorry. Now I don't forgot what I was saying. Oh, but I do plan to plan on most of the day Sunday. So I'm just gonna add this girl here. And it's looking cute. Let's see if we can have any headers. I could put this on this side. I could make this as a reminder section. And then this one, I can make a this week. Calls and emails, take notes. I don't know if I really want to leave that focus box there. But I think I'm going to use this sticker and just cover it with the important. That's cute. I still kind of want to cover this. I think I'm going to just use these long strips. I might start from over here because I'm not sure how far it's going to go over that July. So I'll just start from this edge. And put that there. Take this other one and I'll just bring it on across. When I'm explaining stuff, for some reason my voice decides it wants to go higher. Because I'm trying to talk to y'all like y'all there, even though y'all not there, but y'all there. Because you don't want to talk to yourself too much because they got special places for people that do that. And I don't want to go. Okay. Let's see what else we can use. Okay, so this is cute. So I'm going to use this plan ahead sticker. And I'm going to put this here for things that I do want to plan ahead at home. So to do, don't forget. I just wish there were a couple more dolls in here. Just a couple, not many. Because I want a header there. So let's see, what header can I put there? There's a get it done. Don't have any appointments. No bills this week. I already have a reminder. So I think we'll put the get it done. Okay. Okay. What y'all think? It's looking pretty good, right? Little Valentine's Day. That might be it, y'all. I do kind of want to put something here, but I'm not sure what. Or should I just cover it up? Maybe I need to go into the Year to Shine book and see what I can find in there. Just take this, put it here. We'll just wipe this out. Okay. It really don't match, but I'm gonna make it work. Okay, and then we're gonna see, this matches better, but I feel like it's too late. So I'm just gonna take this quote here. Let's make a difference with our own differences. So what y'all think? That might be it. Okay, so camera cut off. So I think this last sticker I'm just going to put here. And I think that's going to be it. Even though this threw stuff off, but that's okay. I'm gonna leave it there because I'm not finna lift it back up. I'm not gonna lift it. So that's it, y'all. This was just a really quick playing with me. Nothing too major, just something simple, cute, functional, little girly. So as always, shout out to my new subscribers, old subscribers, and if you have already watched 2 or 3 of my videos and haven't subscribed yet, go ahead, hit that subscribe button down below along with that post notification bell. Leave me a comment and share this video, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.